a universe of purpose, not an eloquent dance to nowhere as a leading anthropologist at Harvard University called Life on Earth. An eloquent dance to nowhere. A meaningless, random event of extraordinarily complex coincidences. Billions of them that happen to come together at the right time in the right moment to make this event. Why is there something as opposed to nothing? I was in an observatory, and I took my boys to see this planetary. It was at a planetarium, and you saw the stars, and we looked up at this dome. And here's how it began. Suddenly there was just a flash, and suddenly you were in all those swirls again. And the man said, "In the beginning there was the Big Bang." That's literally what he said. The Big Bang didn't happen in any one place. It happened everywhere at the same time. And you know what my boys said? Subhanallah. Because they knew who did that. Children know that. One of the things Fakhruddin al-Razi said, if you take a rock and you look at a 2-year-old and you hide behind a wall and you throw the rock over his head, the 2-year-old will turn around, and if he can't walk, he'll crawl over to investigate where the rock came from. Why can't that 2-year-old just believe it popped out of nowhere? Why can't it do that? Why can't that 2-year-old just simply believe that it popped out of nowhere? Because inherent in human nature is the belief that for every effect there is a cause. For every effect there is a cause. And it starts right from the beginning. And we're told that there was no cause. We're told everything on this planet has a cause except the universe. There was no cause. Everything else has a material cause. You study any of the physical sciences and they'll tell you there was a cause. Even if you study physiology, they'll tell you about form and function. That every single thing in your body is designed for a function. The form is actually designed for the function. And they talk about design, they use that word, and I always wondered about that because I would ask them, who's the designer? Natural selection. Well, can you tell me a little bit more about this character? Because there's intelligent design. So is natural selection intelligent? Well, he works a lot at it. He makes a lot of mistakes, but he improves each time. Well, that's intelligence. I mean, that's a lot more intelligent than a lot of human beings that I know, right? Because Einstein said the definition of insanity is keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. So we want to look up at the stars again. They've done their best to take them out of the sky. They keep artificial lights in California. Fortunately, the power, we're losing it all. So one day the San Franciscans are going to walk out and say, my God, who created that? They haven't seen the heavens in at least 30 or 40 years. There's kids there that don't even know that there's stars up there. And they don't know that the sun shows up every morning. I'm serious, there's a lot of these people that are so disconnected to this universe that they're not even aware that there's a thing called the solar system. Again, a system. You wonder about that system. That's an engineer's term. Right? Systems. Who makes systems? You can't blame that one on natural selection. The solar system, because natural selection working here on Earth. Who got that one going, right? I mean, really, there's questions here to be asked. These are called the big questions, but they're left out of those multiple choice tests.